What's up everyone? I'm Jordan and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Packtalk Edge Line Half Helmet Kit. Developed in partnership with Cardo, the leader in wireless communication systems, the Harley-Davidson Packtalk Edge Premium headset features the largest generation of Cardo dynamic mesh communication. The original Packtalk Edge is designed to fit full face or three-quarter helmets, but it can be easily adapted to your open face style helmet or half helmet with this kit. Featuring an all-in-one design integrating the device cradle, the kit offers a shorter and more compact speaker cable with a pre-installed boom microphone. Speakers and Packtalk Edge are not included. Enjoy all the features of the Packtalk Edge, no matter what style of helmet you prefer. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you again next time.